हांगाचे लोक who were concerned about the BONDVOL lake had come and approached me in the town and country planning department. Planning department जो मिनिस्टर म्हणून म्हज्यान एक सांगूंक जाता की आमी हांगा कसलेंच परमिशनां कोणाकूच दिवचे ना. जे कोण फिलिंग करतालो ताजेर आमी FIR फायल केल्ली आहा. There is a police complaint file also with the biodiversity board, and we will go to see that the person is penalized. Now, looking at the water resource issue, the issue is sub judice matter, but the Comunidad is showing willingness to have an acquisition by consent. The water resource minister is committed to developing this. This is a government that works. Our actions will speak louder than words. Words are easy. His statement काढपाक easy हा. आज गोवा बचाव आंदोलनात हो बोंडवल लेकीचो इशू घेवंक जाय आसलो. खंय आहा ती about Goa's natural and architectural heritage. As town planning as well as water resource minister, our government is committed to protecting the natural identity of Goa. बचाव आंदोलन पण आमी हांगा आहा. But I am not trying to put them down.
आमचे बोंडवल लेक जो आहा तेका आमी सेफ करपाक Aturaja under the leadership of Atur, we are seeing that that BONDVOL lake should be saved, and town and planning should act immediately on this. The major hill cutting zala thinga, ani I mean flying squad has already submitted the report to the town and planning.
Can take action in no time. If they find that it is a small house being just a boundary wall being built, they will come and they will attest the whatever equipments there. But now such a big hill cutting is taking place. They are taking so many days. They said Friday became Monday, Monday became, now it's becoming Thursday, and Thursday will become Friday. So it's just almost a week we are coming here every now and then, and there's no action being taken.
Allegation is that every person is involved and hand in glove in this project. That's the reason we have no action coming. So if there is no one involved, the big sharks are not involved in this, let the result come in immediately. For a small person who is building a house, town and planning people stand there. Here there must be, these are allegations, open allegations, that they must be bribed.